Hi all, as you can see I have a Tenere 700 in the garage. Just thought I'd do a little review on the luggage system that I've gone for, which is the Enduristan Blizzards in large, which I'm really impressed with. That I'm running without the side carriers. I know a lot of people are running the adventure spec side carriers, which work brilliantly, and I'm sure everyone's happy with that. I've gone for the adventure spec top rack, which is aluminium, it's a nice lightweight design. So for the bags themselves, really impressed. They fit the bike perfectly without any side racks. Fitment's fairly easy. There's two adjustable straps on the top there. A strap on the front and either side, which can attach to the pillion peg, but I've made some aluminium brackets on the front there. As for the back section, there's two hook designs that fit nicely on the fairing, and I've gone for some inner tube rubber. Just neatens it up, I suppose, and stops scratching. On the right side of the exhausts, I've added a giant loop heat shield. I mean, there's plenty of clearance, you probably wouldn't need that, but I'm intending to get some extra luggage to strap on that, so it's well worth doing that. So the capacity, it's quite surprising how much you can get in here, really. Just open one of the bags up. So it's fully waterproof on the inside. I've managed to get in the lodge, a tent, a roll mat, sleeping bag in one side, and then the other side you can just put whatever you want, I suppose. It's handy having these tie cords to go on the rack. It really secures it down. I'd recommend doing that if you're going to go for the Blizzards. Yeah, all in all, really impressed. I haven't crashed on them yet, so touch wood, I won't. Yeah, any questions, just ask.